Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and when I finish a pattern that I have sewn, I do like to store it in, well, our good old Ziploc bags. And it's not just storing this pattern. There's a lot more in this bag so that the next time I need to do the pattern, I have the information. Let me show you what I store in the bag, and I'll explain why I store it this way. So I do like to use these larger Ziploc bags to store my patterns. And I have quite a few things in that bag. I will start with my pattern, and I do like to take my pattern pieces and fold them individually. So for example, this is just the shirt pattern. I will have the pants separate and this pair of pants separate. And instead of trying to put them back in this envelope, I like to keep them nice and big so there's not as many wrinkles. I also keep any additional stuff that I put with it. For example, this is a dart that is needed in the pants, and I photocopy this, and then I'm able to trace this onto the fabric so I don't have to go through my pattern pieces. So I keep those with them. I also put in little samples of fabric of the pants that I made. And that way I'm going to be able to refer back to this pair of pants and know how they fit me. And I will often put in more than one pant pattern. For example, this is the same style of pant. There's no side seam. This is made for a stretch knit. This is made for a woven. So I will put those in the same bag. And any notes that I need. And since I put pants in here, I do have a pattern that I have made. Now, as I am working with my patterns, I do make adjustments. I try them on and make sure that they fit. And once I get that pattern just the way that I like it, I will redo the pattern. And I redo the pattern and draw it out on a fabric that is sort of like an interfacing. As a matter of fact, you can use an interfacing, a non-woven, non-fusible. But this is actually a paper or a fabric that is designed for pattern making. So it's called pattern paper. But it really is like an interfacing. So I take all of my pieces and I draw them out on this. I can pin through this and it doesn't rip like tissue paper. And because I can sew with it, I do like to make a little bag or a little pocket somewhere on the pant pattern. And in here, I keep the little pieces that I need for this particular pair of pants. So I have little waistbands, my zipper lines, anything like that will go right in here. Also notes and the fabric that I made that pair of pants in. So now at a glance, I have everything I need. I know this pattern works. I can refer back to the pair of pants that's hanging in my closet. It doesn't rip. I'm going to get lots of use out of this. I fold that up, and this is ready to go for the next time. So I have my own personal pattern, one that's been adjusted, my original ones, and some of my favorite patterns, fabrics, notes, templates. It's all safe into one area. So now everything I need is right here. There will be no questions next time I pull out that pattern. So the next time I want to make a pair of pants, I'm able to grab this bag. And this has everything that I need. So I don't have to spend so much time figuring that all out the next time I go along. It's something very simple, but it happens to work great for me. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Bye for now.